Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, I don't know. It's free. It's free. It's free 99. You just gotta hit the subscribe button. And if it's free, it's for me and it should be for you. Hit the red subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Okay. But we're not gonna beg out here. So if you want to, that would be great. Please give the video a thumbs up and make sure your notification bells are turned on. Today we're back in what? Ally Bank land. So excited. I just opened an Ally Bank account. I have taught myself research how to set up buckets, how to edit nicknames. If you missed that video, it'll be linked somewhere in the description box or somewhere around here. So today we will be learning how to set up Zelle. JB's 2 cents and Desiree were both like, Desiree, I Desire Wealth was like, you could have just Zelle that money to yourself. And I was like, absolutely did not know that. Did not know that you can Zelle money from bank to bank. So we're here today to try to figure it out. So let's go. Have no research. Like I've seen a video, but I don't know how to do this. Okay, so let's just go. This is my members only account. Why? Because I edited the nickname. You just hit the button and you change the name of your account. That's it. There's $130 and it is broken down into my very beautiful buckets. Loving it. I even hit some goals already. But we're not here for that. We're going to go to, I believe, at first I thought it was deposits, but it's not. I think it's payments and there's Zelle. So there is Zelle. So if you see me break off a little bit, it's kind of just me pausing the video to make sure no information that I don't need y'all to see doesn't come up on the screen. So if it's a little choppy, that's why I apologize. Just trying to keep my security secure. So this screen came up. It says send money with Zelle, move money in a moment, simply and securely with lots of people you know. So then I'm just going to hit the get started button. Okay, guys, so on this screen, it says send money with Zelle. Send money with Zelle. You need an email or a mobile number to securely send and receive money. Choose one from your profile. So here it has on this first line, it has my email address. And the second line, it has my cell phone number. Now, I know for a fact that my cell phone number is set up under my Capital One account. So I think if I choose that, there will be some discrepancy. However, I did not use the same email address on this Ally account as I use over on my Zelle. So I'm going to choose my email address to connect. I think if you choose a phone number or an email that you already have, it will shut it off on the other account. I hope that made sense. Now, there is an option here to add a new email address or mobile number. So if the ones you set your account up with are the same as the one on, let's say, your Capital One, Wells Fargo, or whatever, then you can choose to add a new one here and then use that to set up Zelle at this bank. But like I said, I do believe my email is different on my Capital One, so I'm going to choose the email to set this Zelle account up at. So I chose the email and I didn't get any issues. It just says, here's the account for sending and receiving money in Zelle. And it gave me my members only account, which is why I actually really like to rename account. Because if I had a couple savings, then I wouldn't know which one, if they all said savings ending this. Who knows the last four numbers? Not me. I mean, some of y'all might, but not me. So I'm going to hit confirm account. So when I hit confirm account, it came up with send money with Zelle. Congratulations. You're all set to start sending and receiving money with my current email. Then it says you have no pending transactions. And at this point, you can also add a new email. So since I actually do want to send money, I'm going to click the send money button. Actually, I want to receive money. So I don't know how that's going to go. But I'm going to hit send money and see what happens. So once I hit the send money button, this is what comes up. It says send money with Zelle, send, request, split, activity settings. It says Zelle tip, Zelle contacts faster. The Z logo indicates that your contact already enrolled with Zelle. And the AB, if you don't see Z logo, don't worry. You can still send money to a recipient if you're sending money using their email address or US mobile. They simply have to enroll in order. So if you choose someone with a Z, they're already set up. If you don't, they need to set up. And I'm just going to hit got it. Once I hit got it, it says to select a recipient by the phone number, mobile number, or account. And I'm not trying to send to myself, but hold on. I'm going to actually type the mobile number on my other account and see if I come up. I didn't see where I came up and you can put their name, their phone number, nickname, or maybe you have to set them up now at this point. But I'm not going to do this because this seems to be to send money. I believe that I just set up my account with Zelle. So I'm going to go back to my account and go back to that same spot we started at and see what comes up. So I'm back to my members only account, and then I'm going to go to payments and I'm going to hit Zelle. Okay, so we're in my Capital One and we are going to find our members only account. Actually, no, I think we have to do, okay. So I'm going to transfer this $37.03 over. I'm going to leave I'm going to send it all over. $37.03. This is kind of like my little scratch pad. So I'm going to transfer $37.03 from my members only over to my Tara's Major Keys account. 3703. And that's going to be transfer money to go to Ally. Okay, and we're going to hit transfer and success. This account should be at 0 now, but there should be more money in our main account. Okay, so there's a 3703 that we transferred. So from this account, I can send money with Zelle. So I'm going to hit my send money with Zelle button up here. So in this account, this is what comes up. Send money with Zelle. Make sure you know the person. Send money from my checking account. And then I'm going to put my email because that's what I sent. I'm going to put 3703. Just double check here because you know the way your name is going. 3703. And I'm going to say Ally members only account money. All right, and then I'm going to put the email in and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so then the next page comes up. We're reviewing the details, send money to, and it says the email here, the amount, you can kind of see it right there, 3703. I'll add my note, and then I'm going to hit, yes, I know this person, confirm this. If, yes, I know this person, and confirm it is their correct email address or mobile number, and then I'm going to hit send money. So I'm going to check the box and hit send money. All right, guys, so success. Y'all see it. Success. All done. You sent 3703. I'm sure that's probably like some thing that tells me I just sent money out. So now what I want to do is go and check our Ally account and see if we actually got the money, right? All right. Okay, so I'm back over in Ally, and I'm going to go into our accounts, our savings account right here. And there it is. We have more money. We had $130. And we just sent over 3703, 130 plus $130 says we have 167.03. So that money, that is a much faster way to send the money now that I have the Zelle account set up in both places. So that's going to be amazing. I can immediately send the money when I'm doing my transfers back and forth from Ally to Capital One. So I love that. Thank you. Shout out to JB's 2 cents. And Desiree. I think the name of her channel is I Desire Wealth. So shout out to you too, because I would have never known. And if you didn't know, let me know down in the comments that you could do that. Isn't that amazing? I love this for us. So while we're here to close out the video, let's go ahead and just move the money out of that. So we're going to go to our buckets and we're going to go to the distribute button. over here, and we're going to take the third. Poor core is going to be at 0 again. Chill. We're going, and what I like also with buckets, what I would say, you guys, is that you can see what you're working with all on one page, right? Like I can see that my total in these buckets are 137, the current balance. I can see there's $37 left to be moved, and I can see exactly what's in each bucket in like one glance. Now, maybe if you had a ton underneath one, you probably have to scroll, but I really like that. So we're going to move from core savings, and we're going to select Amazon because that's the only one we have left to work on. And we're going to move the 3703 over there, and we're going to hit submit. Okay, so we're at 5703. So really, all we have left, Amazon's goal is 150 minus 5703. We only have to put $92 in that account. And if it takes us all year, cool, but it shouldn't. We should get there a little bit faster because now we can add the $4 from Sam's Club and the $10 from KinderMaster, which only was supposed to go until like May or June. So we'll hope that they'll get where it is. And then once these are full, we'll just start saving a few dollars in the core bucket just to have another savings somewhere else that we're not used to saving. So I'm so excited for that. And then if you close that, you'll see all your goals. And look, we're getting so much closer. So it seems like this stays like this purplish color until you hit your goal, and then it becomes green. And we're getting there. So almost at halfway. Like I said, the only thing I don't like about this is I wish that this target goal would say your percentage in your goal. So anybody, if you're listening from Ally, if this would say 100%, I know this tracker line says that, but this is not there. So if this would say, okay, you're at 37% of your goal reached or something like that, that would be cool. But outside of that, I really, 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 really cannot say anything bad about these buckets right now. Only thing I've not really looked into is these boosters. And I'll click on that button another day or look into that another day. I don't want to take up too much more of your time, but I hope you enjoyed seeing how to set up Zelle on your accounts and me doing it with my Capital One. That was super easy. Love that for us. Love that for us. I hope you will start using that if you're not already using that. But thank you so, so very much for watching. Remember, it's faith over fear this year. And not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever. And if you made it this far and you're not subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Leave me a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell, and leave me a comment. I love to hear from you. Have a wonderful, blessed day, guys. Bye. Just hands. Love you, mean it. Bye.